Oh, good morning, my friends. Welcome to Sunrise Yoga. Rise and do this gentle, invigorating flow with me by beautiful Lake Nishonik. Why is my cap like this? Let's switch it around. All right, let's click that like button and get down on our backs. Bring it down. You can place a pillow down here or place the head all the way down. Pull the knees into the chest, wiggle the fingers and the toes. Let's wake up our bodies, get our minds sharpened, and our breath flowing. Rocking the knees side to side. Moving the ankles and the wrists. Oh, that sun feels good. Side to side. If you like, bring the head and shoulders off the mat. Tuck the chin, stretching the back of the neck. Good. Activate the body. Let the breath flow through every part. Take the knees, circle them one direction. Head up or down. Stirring the abdominals, stirring the low back. Let the yawns come. When you do those deep breaths, it usually triggers the yawn mechanism. Other direction. Getting up with the sun. 2 more times. Circle around. All right, stretch out the legs. Loose activation, moving the wrists, the ankles, fingers and toes. Give the legs a little shake if you like. I like to rub my hands together, get some heat going. Hey, I'm biking. Look at this. How'd this happen? How amazing. Just natural biking movement. Okay, now take that right knee, bring it in, left leg goes out, back and forth, head up or down, stretching into the body. In Pilates, we call this single leg stretch. The word stretch is in the title. So getting the hip flexors, the low back, the hamstrings. Two more times each side. Pull it in. Jaw is loose. Now extend the leg as much as you comfortably can. And we gently pull the leg in and then release. Head up or down. If the head and shoulders come off the mat, you're going to feel the activation in the core. That's just fine. That's up to you. Stretch. Look at those weeds. Beautiful, beautiful Lake Nishonik weeds. Oh, yes. Pull that leg towards you. A little blood flow happening here. Now, tips of the toes down. Drop the legs to the side. Okay, I hear things. It's just the voices in my head. Take this top leg out if you like. And move it back and forth. Extend that leg with the exhale. Move this arm over here. Trying to stay away from the poison ivy and poison oak. Stretching down the spine into the glutes. I took a yoga class last night with my friend Lacey. I feel great. I'm a little sore, a little tight, so this is perfect. We did a lot of leg stuff. Chairs, squats, warriors. Arms over the head, stretch. And other side. Hi, grass. Find that twist. Make it yours. Get that lower back activated, loosened. Deep breathing, in the nose, out the nose, or however you feel most comfortable. You still over there? There you are. There you are. Filming these stretch videos like this, I get lost in it. It's so lovely. It's easy to drift away into these stretches, into these movements. All right, back to the center. And figure 4, right ankle on the left thigh, right arm in between, lace of fingers, pull, head up or down. I like to rock side to side in my figure 4. Also use this right elbow to press into the leg, activate that hip stretch. Draw circles, draw figure 8s, draw 6s. Definitely shakes it up. Get more bang for your buck with the stretch. Oh, everywhere. Two more breaths. All right, switch. Left ankle, right thigh, press away. And here we go. Whew. Balance it out. Oh, the fish are jumping. In Florida, that usually means there's a gator present that would like to get to know me better. Here it's a muskie or a perch or some kind of panfish usually. Or if we're lucky, we get a northern or a pike, northern pike, or a muskie. Where am I, you ask? I'm in Wisconsin, my home state. One more breath. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh man, shake out the legs. Head is down, little bicycles if you like, reverse bicycles. Knees are nice and open. No hard feelings in the knees. Stretch those legs up. Take the fingers, hamstrings. Inhale, soften. Exhale, stretch. Head up or down, the best of your ability. Relax the foot. When you extend, you can also flex the feet all the way down here. Feel that stretch. Something starting up here it's going to travel all the way down into your glutes, into your low back, into your shoulders. Two more times. Roll out of bed. Well, actually don't. Stay in bed and do this, and then roll onto the floor for some extra stuff. Roll out of bed and then roll right back in. All right, roll onto your side. A lot of rolling happening here. We're gonna press up, seated position, shake out the arms and the legs. You're loose, everything's loose. You don't wanna wake up all tense. You wanna be sunrise yoga with Coach Vigue. All right, child's pose. Oh, this calls for the cap switch. I'll get some of that sun off my face. Take the knees wide. Let's press it back, tops of the feet or tuck the toes. Forward and back. A little inhale up. As you exhale, slide the hands forward a little more and stretch. Take your time. Long backs. Think of taking years of tension off the back. Two more times. Work your armpits down to the mat. How's that feel? Feel good, doesn't it? Oh yes. Slip that left arm up. Anyone see that? And then slip it underneath the right arm. Thread the needle. Rock it forward and back. Inhale. Exhale. Full massage of the shoulder into the twist. Try not to touch the grass, but here we are. Why not? Okay. Switch sides. Right arm up. And thread that baby. Rock it. Feel that tugging on your shoulder blade and your middle back, your rhomboids. One more time. Oh, man. That is the stuff. All right, walk it forward, press back, shake out the arms and legs again. Whew. We're very loose, very loose. All right, let's switch that cap again. Here we go. The sun is getting in my eyes. Downward facing dog. Little leg curls here. As you press back, flexing the leg, working the hamstrings and quads. We're always training, my friends. That's how I think. Everything I do, from the big movements to the small, to the weight room, to sprints, to biking, training for life, better movement, better relationships. And hopefully I can be a better instructor, better teacher. And of course, most importantly, a better father. One more time each leg. Stretch back, rocking side to side. All right, right leg forward, set up for pigeon. Pigeon pose. Bring that right foot forward, scratch that back foot for a second because I think something bit me. How many of you scratched your foot? All right. My people, that's great. I just spit. My people. Hands down. We lift up tall. Add a little pulse here. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. 3 more times. When you lift, you can flex that back leg. Definitely a little more challenging. But get you into the quad, hip flexor, hamstring. Last one. We press up, hold, lift higher. If you have a yoga block, or you could even take your fists down, take a little more elevation here. And back to down dog for just a moment. And then when you're ready, the left leg comes forward. Set up for that pigeon. Slide that leg back. Ooh. Add the pulse 4 times. Exhale down, lengthen out. Place your hands where you like. I normally would go out further, but I'll stay on the mat. One more time. All right, my friends, bring it up. Hands, fingers, fists, whatever you want. Yoga blocks. Lifting tall. Oh my goodness. It's too good. Just too good. Step that leg back. Let's lower down onto the mat. Inhale, lift for cobra or up dog. Knees can be down, or lift the knees off the mat. That's up to you. Shoulders back. 3 breaths right here. Open. Feel that strength in the arms, strength in the shoulders, and your ability to hold yourself in this position. Squeeze the glutes, protect the lower back. child's pose. I'll be there in a moment. I gotta tuck my shirt in. There we go, back we go. Stretch, long stretch. Take your hands to the edges, the corner edges of the mat. Moving into a puppy pose, perhaps. Let the lower back release. Two more breaths. Okay. Where am I? Come up, seated position. Shake out those legs for a moment. Seated cross-legged position. Doing great. How you feeling? Here we are, here we are. Seated cross-leg position, rocking side to side. Massaging the glutes down. I see you, horsefly. There's a horsefly on my notes. Sounds like my next children's book. Horsefly on my yoga notes. All right, circles. Inhale forward, exhale back, rounding back. Leading with the chest forward. I'm sitting on like an old tree stump or something. We gotta correct that. Other direction, stirring the pot. Good. Find those spots that give a little pushback, that feel a little tight. Like feeling a little tighter around here, so I'm gonna do an extra little polish right there. You can do that. It's all yours, my friends, all yours. I'm merely your guide. I'm here doing it as well. But you'll learn so much, as I have, about your body the more you do this stuff. How it responds, how it activates, how it moves. All right, shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. Relaxing the face and the jaw. Two more. There we go. Fingers a little tight. One at a time, roll them back. Get the sun over here. There we are. I like to go towards the sun. All right, arms up. Inhale. Reaching, shoulders relaxed, side bend. Other side. Now I gotta scooch over. One more time, each side. Forearm down if you must. Place your, oh, there it is. Your glutes on the mat. Take the arms up. Cactus arms. Bend the elbows, pull the arms back. Sliding the shoulders down your back. One more time, one more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, open. Keep that breath, keep it pouring in, a mighty river of oxygen. You're exhaling, squeezing all the old breath out of the lungs. One more time, take the palms together. Slowly bring the hands down. Take them right in front of the chest. This is your day, my friends. Sunrise Yoga, I hope it helped. Tuck that chin, and beautiful work. Click that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss my workouts. All of that stuff helps these videos get out immensely, my friends. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. I'll see you next time. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.